Shape is the most common widget. Buttons, text, and various widgets are basically variations of shape. Various shapes can be transformed into each other. Right-click on the shape and then click Select Shape in the context menu to see the available shapes. Click on it to transform the shape to it. Using the pen tool, we can draw a custom shape. Select the pen tool on the Style toolbar and draw a shape on the canvas. The usage of pens is basically the same as that of other UX tools. Just control the anchor points and curves. Essentially, text including label, heading, paragraph is a special shape. The text is a shape with no background fill, no borders, and no rounded corners. You can turn it into a button by adjusting its style. You can convert commonly used shapes into components for future use. Right-click on the button and select Create Component to convert it to a component. Name it Warning Button. To use, simply drag it onto the canvas. There is a quick way to apply styles. Select the shape, click the Create New Style option, and then save the shape style to the widget style. To apply a widget style, select a shape and select the saved widget style on Widget Style drop list. You can see that the widget quickly applied the saved style.